What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve my silk press, and we're going to jump right into it with the products. I'm going to be using the Chi Heat Protectant, and I'm going to be using the Ion Blowout Series shampoo and conditioner. I'll also be using the, what is it called? Color Wow Humidity Spray. I don't know the exact name of the product, but I'm going to link it down below. I'm going to have everything linked down below so you guys can see it. So after I apply my heat protectant and the humidity spray, I'm going to be blow drying my hair, and I'm blow drying my hair using my Revlon barrel blow dryer. And I really like this because it cuts down my drying time. It makes drying my hair take not 3 hours, but like 1, because it still takes forever, y'all. I have so much hair. But after I blow dry a portion of my hair, I go through it with like my hand, and I just make sure that my roots are dry, because I don't know about y'all, but like on one pass, my roots are never dry. The ends of my hair are dry, the middle of my hair is dry, the roots are always wet. So I'll go through that a few times just to make sure that the roots are actually dry all the way. Y'all, this blow dry process took me so long. Like, it might not seem long to y'all, but I was blow drying my hair forever. Like, I was exhausted after this part. I didn't even feel like straightening my hair at this point. But I'm going to be applying more of the anti-humidity spray, and then I'm going to go in with my comb attachment on my regular blow dryer, and I'm just going to use that to go through my hair to make sure that it is as straight as possible while it's blow dried. That way, when I straighten it, it'll like be like butter, and I can only do one pass. I only do one pass when I straighten my hair, or at least I try to only do one pass. Sometimes if I didn't get it good the first time, I'll go in for a second pass, but I really try not to, y'all. So once I finish blow drying my hair, as y'all can see, I got it really straight. I think it looks really good, and it is ready for the straightening process. So now I'm going to be using the BioSilk Silk Therapy, and if you know, you know, this is everybody and their mama's favorite when it comes to straightening your hair. But I kind of just distribute that all throughout my hair. I don't like using a lot, because if I use too much, my hair will be weighed down and greasy, and it won't have the body and the shine that I need to have. So once I finish evenly distributing that throughout my hair, I'm going to go in with my straightener on 450. And I know a lot of y'all are probably like, girl, 450, that's so high. But my hair can take a lot of heat. And I feel like if you're scared of heat, then you should not be silk pressing your hair. Sorry, that's just how I feel. I'm not afraid of heat. I'm not afraid of a little heat damage. That's fine with me. I know I can repair my hair. And if I can't, I'll cut it off. So yeah, I'm going to be using 450 on the straightener, and I'm going to be parting that into really small sections. And instead of using a comb, I use a brush. I feel like it straightens the hair better. It gives it more shine, and it gives it more body when it actually all lays together. So I'm going to be using this small, thin teaser brush that I found at, I think it was Target, or I want to say Target or Ross. So yeah, just any skinny brush will work. You can use a larger brush, but I prefer the skinny brushes. So what I do is, at the root is where I focus most of the heat, because you know the root is your new hair, it's more healthy, and the ends of your hair are weaker and more damaged. So I'll hit the root of my hair like 2 or 3 times, y'all. And I know that sounds terrible, but I'll like tap it 2 or 3 times. You'll see that in the video a few times here. And then I'll just go through my single strand that I have sectioned out. I'll go through that just one time, one pass. Sometimes I'll do 2 passes. It really just depends on how good it's straightened the first time. But usually on 450, one pass does an excellent job. I don't have to go through it more than once. So I'm just gonna show you guys the rest of the straightening process, and I hope you guys, you know, enjoy it, and you take any of my tips and you apply them to your own silk press process.
Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm known as Pin Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Take her to pee and then come here.
Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga and start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with the beard. Juice follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise. I feel weird. Oh, he in love. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, so no wipe her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. We can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke lots and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof out the car, let her feel the sun. I'm broke, see it's about 5,000 months. Got this bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my collar, we stacking up guala and guala and try get it mega buck. See them drippin', little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BMW. Think I'm deaf, got clothes in my right or left. Say you crack up the car, ain't no key in them. Just put lost in they pockets, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep it spell. On the stuff because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling through me in the present. 150 flying, rich and mellow. I'ma put the damage to his empty. Look, cause I spit the flavor to the temp. I am not a killer, but don't tempt me. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he in up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.